Hi guys, these are the Limebikes here at Exton. Very easy. It's an app you'll download to unlock the bikes. Open up the app. There are QR codes on the handlebars, the back of the bike, or right here on the rear fender. Please scan the QR code. You'll hear a noise. It'll unlock it automatically. Whenever you're done with it, please make sure to slide this lock back to make sure the bike cannot move any further. It's very important to end it, otherwise it will keep charging you. Thank you. Guys, these are the QR codes on here. It is $1 for 30 minutes to ride. And just to show you, this is the locking mechanism. It's very easy, but it prevents the back wheels from moving when it's locked. So anytime you're done riding, please lock it. Just like this, you'll hear a noise. And it ends the ride and locks the bike from going further. Thanks, guys.